to the exercise room?
No. Because I don't have my shoes on.
I know, we're gonna learn first and then we'll go to the exercise room.
You mean put my shoes on and then go to the exercise room? Do you really love that picture?
Alright,
It
so
makes you so happy.
yes, it does. So we are doing just gonna go over vowels. A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U.
Apple.
Apple.
E,
E,
elephant.
elephant.
I,
E,
iguana.
iguana.
A, otter.
Otter.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
A,
A,
I,
E,
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 A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
E,
I,
E,
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 I,
E,
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 A,
A,
I,
E,
A,
A,
I.
E,
No, E,
E,
I,
E,
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 I,
E,
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 elephant.
elephant.
I,
E,
iguana.
iguana.
A,
A,
apple.
apple.
E,
E,
I,
E,
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 I.
E,
What's that one?
E,
Good job. What's this one?
E,
What's it? What's this one?
A,
Good job. What's this one?
E,
Yeah, it is an E, but E.
E.
All right, so this is your vowels. We're gonna work on this one today, okay? The E, that goes E. So I need you to remember E, okay?
We not gonna do that one today.
No, we did this one the other day. So we're gonna do the E this time. So we did E, now we're gonna do E. Can you say E?
I wanna
So this is our word. This is our vowel today, okay? It's okay. It's okay. This is our vowel today. All right. All right. What sound does this make again? Think. Think. Don't play. Think. Yeah. All right. So you got it right. So we're gonna be working on what is that? Yeah. Is in what? Elephant.
Elephant.
Yeah. So we're gonna work on it. This is our letter today.
After we do it, we gotta go to the exercise room.
Yes, but I need you to focus.
Okay.
All right. So, we're gonna do a quick run through of all your sounds, just so I make sure you got it. What sound? What sound?
A.
What sound?
What?
What sound? What sound? What sound?
D.
What sound? What sound?
Yeah. Yeah.
What sound?
D.
What sound? X. What sound?
What?
What sound?
It says 1, 2.
This one.
This is 1, 2. Ah. What?
What is what?
Ah.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's nice. What's that? Yeah. What's this?
And then,
What letter? Z. And where does it go? That's it. Say it. Say it out loud. What's the sound? Z. What's this? What's this? What's this?
G.
What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Alright, good. So you got a lot of those. So these are all the letters. Now, what's this again? Elephant. So what's the sound? What is it? Elephant.
Elephant.
What's the sound?
Elephant.
Eh.
Eh.
You have no, but you have to remember. Okay. What sound? Alright, so what sound? What is that?
P.
Yeah, what sound? Huh?
B.
Right, okay. We're gonna start putting them together. Alright, so what sound is that? Book. Yeah, and what sound is that?
D.
This sound. This one.
D.
That's not a D, Nova. I need you to think, cause you know.
I guess I just said G.
It's not G either. Nova, you're smart. I need you to start thinking. You just were saying it. What is this? Look for help.
Elephant.
Eh.
A.
Yes. What is that?
A.
Eh.
A.
Say it louder.
A.
Say it as loud as you can.
A.
That ain't loud.
Yes.
Say it loud.
A.
Alright. And what sound is this again?
B.
Alright, so we're gonna put these together.
I want to make that.
Well, no. You gotta put them underneath. That's not up. Alright, well, you gotta say them together now. Try to say them together. Let's
I
focus.
need to use the bathroom.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Pistol 2. I take I like what is it? Do you see me?
Let's sit down. Alright, what sound? Let's focus. What sound?
B.
Alright. And what sound?
Elephant.
Eh.
A.
There's no L. L is L. We just doing E. So E is eh. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, what's E?
A.
Yeah, eh. Alright. And what's B?
B.
Alright. So we're gonna put them together. You know what you think that says? We can do it together, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Bear.
bear,
Bear.
bear,
The B and the E. Look. The B and the E. Bear. Bear. Okay.
bear,
Yeah. Bear. Yeah, good job. So B and E, when you put them together, is bear.
bear,
So what's that again?
bear.
Bear, exactly. And get
Venture Bay has Venture Bay.
Bay is with an A, but we're doing E right now. So bear,
Bear,
bear.
bear,
Alright, so let me help you out and give you an extra word just so you know how it sounds. Alright, so what does that say again?
bear,
Bear, okay. So what would you do? What does this say? What's the sound? Yeah. So what is this again?
bear,
Alright, now what would you do if you added that? So say it all together.
bear,
Alright, add that on there.
bear,
What's the sound?
bear,
Alright, say it all.
bear,
What'd you say?
bear,
What is it?
bear,
You know what that is? What is it?
bear.
Yeah, bed. Yeah, that's how you say bed. This is bed. You see what I did? I took the D off and this is bed.
Bear,
Then I added a D and that's a word. What's the word?
bear,
You gotta say the last letter. Bed, what's this?
bear,
Duh. Yeah, you need this. You need the D for bed. But we're only doing the first letters, the first two. So what's that again?
bear,
Bed. Alright. Now we're gonna change the E. Change the D to the G. So now here your dots. Do it over here too, because you gotta do them under the letters. So yep, that's one. Try not to make them so big, and then do this one. Alright, so the last one was a B and an E, and it said bed, right? Now this is a G and an E, so what
I'm
do you
not
think?
black and you got red.
I know, I need you to listen. This is G and E, so what do you think that says?
Good.
What does that say? When you put them together?
Good.
Bed.
Bear.
B, B, and bed. So this is, what's the G say? What's the sound of G?
Good.
Right? And then what is this? Eh?
Good.
Ge. Ge. This is good. And eh. Ge. 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 Now, okay, let me show you a word you can do with that. Let's see. No. What is that again? And what is that one? Yeah, so that's bed. And then what is that? You hear ge, bed. You hear the eh? Alright, so what's that again? And what's that? Right, alright. So what happens when you put a D right here? What does that turn into? No, what's the word? Say the whole thing. B-E-D. Try it again. What does that say again? Remember? What does that say together?
Bed.
Right, that's bed. Now all you gotta do is add another sound. Bed, and then what's the sound?
Bed.
No, say, yeah, that's right. Say that, and then add the D sound. Say it all together.
Bed.
Bed. No. All right, you ready? Bed. 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 Yeah. All right. Make sure you say it out loud.
Bed.
Yeah.
Bed.
All right.
Bed.
All right. Perfect. So, you know where your eraser is?
It's right here. I had it in my hand.
All right. So, what's that to again?
Bed.
Perfect. And then what's that?
Good.
What's it?
Good.
No, remember, bed. So this got to be what? Get. All right, so let me add this to it. What sound does this make? All right, and what is that again? What's that? Get.
I was about to say
Okay, I need you to. Okay, what is it? All right, now let's add a third letter. What's this again? What's that again? Now what's that sound? Get. Get what?
Get food.
Yeah, so that's how you say get. So I took this off though. And what's that again? And then if I add a t, what's that one? Get. Yeah, just like, what was that again?
What?
Remember, this is e. So, what is it? Start with the first letter. No, not t. It's d. Bed. Bed. D. Not t. This is t. This is d. Bed. Bed. Alright, now if I added the T, bed. 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 Yeah. Alright, and this one is get. Get. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Alright, so we did bed. So we did bed. We did get. You hear how they sound the same? Bed, get. Alright, so now we got this one and this one.
Baba, this. My chair is on the learning thing.
Alright, so now we have, what sound does this L make? And then what is that again? Alright, so, I'm gonna put my dots up here. So, le is le. Be, get, le. See? Be, get, le. Alright.
Are we done?
You're not done yet. Alright, so we did be, get, le.
I don't want to start.
Oh, alright.
Le.
And what is that one? Put it together like the other ones.
Yes, you did it.
Good job. I'm so proud of you. Oh,
Yes. I'm a dog learner.
I'll go get that. I'll go get the stuff. Alright, so what does that one say? Come on. Sit back down. You did a good job. Meh. Yeah, exactly. You did that perfect. So that's, what's that one? Be. Ge. Le. Focus. What's this one? Me. Yeah, you just said. So that's be. That's ge. That's le. That's me. Now, what is that one?
I don't know what is that.
But you don't know what the E? This is an N and an E.
I don't know. N.
Uh-huh. What is it together?
N.
Put it together.
No.
No. What's the E?
N.
No. What's the E? Eh. Yeah. So remember, this is what? Be, ge, le, me. So what's that?
N.
Try to put it together. Ne. Ne. When they're together, it's ne. Alright, so look. Alright, so remember, that's be, ge, le, me. And what's this one? Remember, we don't want to pause it. Remember, N and E, that's a pause. We want to put them together. So just like we put these together, and B and E mean be, and G and E mean ge, and L and E mean le, and and E mean me. Alright? Alright, so now we need this one. Ne, ne, ne. Alright, so we're moving along, okay?
Let's say horse. Name. Or say name.
Yeah, so be.
Be.
What's that one?
G.
Well, we gotta put them together. Remember, I said bed. So, what are these two? Ge, u, e, le. What's this one? You know your sounds, though, so just think about it. And then what's the e? Me. Me. You have your e. Nay. Alright, okay, look, we got your P now. P makes a what? Alright, well, it's not P. You're right, it's P. But when you put the A in there, it's what? Hey. Yeah, don't you hear it rhyme? Like be and ge, le and me and ne and pe. See that? You see it sound similar? So this is the P, and this is the E, this is pe. You say, and you say pe, pe. Alright. And then we got, okay. Now, what do you think that's it? Say it. Okay, but what's this one? It's actually, this starts one of your friends' name that we went to the museum with, the science museum. Yeah, what's his name? Alright, so what's in what? It? So what is that? Say. Say. Just an A. So be, ge, le, me, ne, pe, say. Just like say them.
Yeah.
But it's the first two letters, okay? S and E. Say. Say. Alright, so what's that again? Alright. We got one. We got one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Alright. What about this? This is a V. What sound does a V make?
After that, I'm going to be the
Yeah, we're almost done. Come on.
ra.
V, yeah. Alright, V. Alright, and then this one, the E, which is the A. So, they, 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 they. Yeah. So, you got they, you got say, pay, nay, may, lay, gay, bay. Alright, now we got way, 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 way. Perfect. So let's put the way this way. Be, ge, le, me, ne, pe, say, ve, way. What sound does the Y make? Yep. Alright, yay, 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 yay. Yeah, way, yay. You see how they all sound the same? Alright, we're almost done. Only got a few more. F and E. What sound does that make? Alright. Fay, fay, fay. Good job. Alright, that's fay. And then we got R, E. What sound does this make? Ray. Yeah.
Just like Mr. Ray.
Yeah, just like Mr. Ray. That's right. Ray. And then we got this one. Tay. Tay. No,
Just like cake.
no, cake is with a C. We almost done. We got 2 more. This is a D. What sound?
D.
Alright, so, and what sound? A.
D.
Day. Yeah. Good job. Day. Day. Alright.
Mama's a little black.
Oh, thank you. And then we got an H and an E. So the H is what? Alright, and the E is eh. Alright, so hey. 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 Alright, so let's go over them all before we be done. So be, ge, le, me, ne, pe, se, ve, we, ye, fe, re, te, de, he. Alright, so we got this. So last 2. It, it, it. Alright, so what is that again? It. And then what is that? Bed. So we got bed. Yep. And then we got ed. Like bed. Alright, good job. Alright, we are all done with the vowel E.
After the exercise room, can we go to the playground?
After the exercise room, can we go to the playground?
Yeah.
It's best if we go to the playground now because it's going to get dark. And then we can go in the exercise room because the exercise room has light in there.
We can use our flashlight in the dark.
I mean, we can, but it'll just be easier if it's light when you're playing. That way, when it gets dark, we can come back and then go in the exercise room. because the exercise room got a bunch of lights in it, but the playground will have no lights except for our lights.
I want to go to the exercise room. I want to go to the exercise room. And then I have to tie my shoes.
You are?
When I get older, I don't know how to tie my shoes.
I got you.